Guys, it's super insane. So keep watching the video, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to download this. It's super cool, guys.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get Game Guardian on your iPhone. So let's get into the video. So just go over to zoommods.com, I believe, and you can actually get it. So let me just hop on here and type Game Guardian, and as you can see, guys, there is the Game Guardian for iOS. So before it downloads, it's going to be one more step, guys, the verification step. So during this step, we're going to download 2 apps, follow instructions, and then the Game Guardian will be installed. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so yeah, it's super awesome, guys. Totally works. So if you guys are poor and you can't afford an Android, you can use Game Guardian on your iPhone right now, guys, from zoommods.com. So yeah, we just got to do the verification now, which is pretty easy. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just need to download 2 of these apps. So like Underdog, you got to downrun for 30 seconds. TikTok, Family Island, you got to reach level 11. So just do 2 of them, guys, and that's how to get Game Guardian for iOS. So it's super cool, guys, so be sure to try it out. There is a tutorial here you can watch if you're really lost, but yeah, I mean, I've tried a couple videos like this, and I am yet to discover any other way to get Game Guardian for iOS. This is the only method that actually works. So I'm going to show you guys. This is super cool, guys. So there you go, zoommods.com. That's the website. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. This is super cool, guys. So yeah, Game Guardian for iOS right there, guys. I can't open it because then the developers will probably strike down the video, but it is legit. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome, and it totally works, guys, so you can use it right away. So definitely tell your friends about it if they're Game Guardian enthusiasts. I don't know, maybe they're not, but it's legit. So get down with me. We can make videos together if you want, but this is super cool, guys, and that's how you get Game Guardian for iOS devices for free in 2025, bro.